Hey y'all, it's me Marty, and I am at a rest area in Wyoming, and I thought I'd just do a quick little video here to show you this. It's a really pretty area here. So I am on I-80 eastbound in Wyoming. I'm at the Wagon Hound rest area, and the Wick Moomy Wildlife Habitat area I think is here, and Medicine Bow National Forest is here. There's a few different things here. So yeah, it's about 40 degrees. It's chilly. It actually feels more like about 30, but it feels great. I love it. I've been waiting for this weather. Little breezy. It's been rainy off and on through the day. There's a snowstorm chasing me. I don't know. It might be here in the morning. I don't know. Hopefully I got east far enough. So I'm starting to go out of the mountains here, but I stopped here for the night. There's my truck. And yeah, just gonna go for a little ramble here at the rest area and just show you some views here. And then in the morning, there's a little shelter thing here, and I'm gonna sit in there and I'm gonna make a coffee. I already tested it out, and it's pretty cool. I'll show you that in a little bit. But there's another guy over here taking pictures. I don't want to interrupt him, but I'm gonna turn the camera around and just show you this. So yeah, looking that way is towards Rawlins, and that way over there is towards Laramie. So this rest area, which is a pretty nice rest area, is kind of up on a hill between Rawlins and Laramie, Wyoming. And that's the rain and snow and storms over that way. And south of I-80 up in the mountains, they're getting like 2 feet of snow tonight, I guess. So but a little bit further north on I-80 here and going east, it's mostly rain. So yeah, and so I'm gonna go over here and I'll just show you the view over here, and then I'll show you that over there, something kind of cool. Yeah, this storm clouds have been swirling around, and there's actually a few mountain peaks over that direction, but yeah, I thought maybe there was trails here, but it looks like there's a fence, so you can't really go in anywhere. But yeah, I'll show you the view over here. The Wick Moomy Wildlife Habitat Management Area, and you can screenshot this if you want to zoom in and read about it. And they got things here where you can actually look out there and maybe see elk. I don't know. Yeah, this is beautiful. Supposedly there's elk running around down in there. So that's a Medicine Bow National Forest, I guess, if I read that right. Beautiful area down in there. It's starting to get dark, so I don't know, this might be blurry and not real good here, but I just wanted to show you this. I think the other guy next to me is either making a video or talking to somebody. I don't want to interrupt him. Beautiful area here. So as I'm rolling east on I-80, I'm starting to go out of the mountains, get into more of the flatlands, but this is still mountains where I'm at here. Just a gorgeous area.
Ain't no protein in no lettuce. Ain't no protein in no lettuce.
Actually a road right here. I believe that over there is Elk Mountain. If it wasn't cloudy, you could see the top of it, which is probably already covered in snow. In the morning, we'll see what the weather's doing, and maybe I can videotape more of the hills and the mountains. So yeah, it's a pretty nice rest area. I already used the restroom. They're nice and clean. One of the nicer rest areas I've seen in Wyoming. Oh, I'm actually chilled, but it feels great. I love it. I want to show you this. So I was hoping, my idea, so I'm parking here for the night, and what I was hoping, and maybe in the morning when it's nice and cool, was going to be even colder than it is now, I would come over here in a shelter and make a coffee. And then I seen this. I thought there would maybe be a picnic table or something. This is even better. Look at this. This is completely covered. And, you know, it should be blocking the wind. I already sat in there and I tried out my little stove and it works. There's no wind in there because the wind's pretty much coming from the west to east. And so I should be able to sit in there in the morning and make a little coffee. So I think that'll be fun. And look at this. Look at this, y'all. There's a little fireplace in here. That is so cool. I've never seen that in a shelter at a rest area. Pretty cool. I won't need to use that. Well, I almost could, but I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna use my stove, a new favorite stove, and I'm gonna make a coffee in the morning. If it works out, as long as it's not a blizzard. Well, even if it's a blizzard, I might be able to be in there. And I'll make another video in the morning, and we'll see what the view is in the morning. Just wanted to show you this rest area, the Wagon Hound rest area between Rawlins and Laramie, Wyoming. And some pretty nice views here. And yeah, I'm gonna go get in the truck, and I think I might even turn my heat on just a little bit. See, the thing is, y'all, I don't like summer, I don't like the heat, but I don't like to be freezing. I just like cool weather, and I like to warm up in the cool weather, and it's just so nice. And yeah, it feels good to be wearing flannel. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video, just a quick little one to show you this rest area here, and go in the truck and settle in for the night. We'll see you again in the next video, probably in the morning.